ये जो जनरेटिव एआई वाला सेक्शन है, इसके एग्जिस्टेंस से फोटोग्राफर्स को किस तरह का चैलेंजेस आ सकता है फ्यूचर में?
So it was a joke which I read that we won't get affected because clients never know what they want. I literally went as a boy and came back as a man.
क्या पता नेक्स्ट एपिसोड ऑन डिस्कवरी विद बेयर ग्रिल्स में इट्स मिस्टर
You
डबू
never know.
रत्नानी. Today I have with me a very special guest here. He has been in the photography industry for more than 30 years. He's India's most renowned celebrity photographer and shot with the likes of Mr. Bachchan, Shah Rukh Khan, Deepika Padukone, and you name it. He has worked for magazines like Elle, Femina, Filmfare. He has published more than 25 annual calendars. I'm extremely happy to have you, Dabu, here
Thank
with
you.
us.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's a pleasure to have you in our first quick pod. मेरा पहला सवाल आपसे ये है कि आपको कब और कैसे पता चला कि आपको फोटोग्राफी फील्ड में अपना करियर बनाना है?
तो फोटोग्राफी तो मुझे बचपन से आई यूज टू लव फोटोग्राफी राइट फ्रॉम स्कूल डेज. जब मैं व्हेन आई रिमेंबर जब मैं स्कूल में था, जो स्कूल के पिकनिक्स होते थे और जो फैमिली हॉलीडेज होते थे, आई रिमेंबर ऑलवेज हैविंग अ कैमरा विथ मी. तो इसीलिए आई फील दैट आई इन्जॉयड द प्रोसेस फ्रॉम वेरी यंग एज. और फिर कॉलेज में 11th-12th में जब एक फैशन शो हो रहा था, तो हमने सजेस्ट किया कि सीक्वेंसेस के बीच में एक ऑडियो विजुअल जो फोटोज प्रोजेक्टर पे हम दिखाएंगे, सो पीपल व्हेन दे आर गोइंग टू चेंज द क्राउड, इंस्टेड ऑफ गेटिंग जस्ट अनकंफर्टेबल इन द सीट्स, दे एटलीस्ट हैव समथिंग टू सी. जब वो फोटोज रिलीज हुए, काफ़ी सारे वो टाइम पे ऑल माई फ्रेंड्स और जो कॉलेज के टीचर्स थे, दे इनकरेज्ड मी. दे सेड आपको सोचना चाहिए to take up photography. So I really took it very seriously. And 12th standard में जो एक सुमीत चोपड़ा करके जो मेरे एक्स बॉस है और मेरे अच्छे दोस्त है, उनके पास मैं गया. So I went and met him. I said that मेरा 12th का एग्ज़ाम आने वाला है, and post that I'm thinking if I can join you.
Correct.
So he gave me the exact breakdown कि it's not about just glam. I said I'm not going for the glamour. I
Right.
want to really join you.
Understand the nuances of
Photography, and I really want to assist you to become a photographer. So he
Right.
said, "ठीक है, so after the 12th exams get over, you can join me,
Right.
but you have to commit at least 3 years
3
to
years.
me." There's 4 years I worked with him, and then I started getting assignments on my own, and that's when I decided to branch out and start my own career.
That's quite interesting to see how it transitioned from a college fashion photo
Absolutely.
shoot
Yeah.
and then working with Sumit ji and now having more than 25 annual calendars on your name.
Right.
So moving forward, तो आपने already answer कर दिया, but still to cross check, फोटोग्राफी इंडस्ट्री में सबसे ज़्यादा इंस्पायरिंग आपके लिए कौन या क्या है?
फोटोग्राफी इंडस्ट्री में आई मीन सुमीत के साथ मैंने बहुत सीखा.
Right.
क्योंकि आई नॉट ओनली लर्न फोटोग्राफी, काफ़ी प्रोडक्शन सीखा, टू डील विद क्लाइंट्स, टू डील विद मॉडल्स.
Right.
The whole journey was incredible because I literally went from college, which was my 12th standard,
Yeah.
and I literally went as a boy and came back as a man.
ये हमारे
those 4
स्टार्टअप्स
years.
में 0 to 1 जर्नी बोलते हैं. I think
अच्छा.
that was your 0 to 1 journey.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So I think, and more than, I mean, of course, I learned a lot about technical. I learned a lot to deal with people, and Sumit is an amazing fun person. तो उनके साथ मैंने बहुत पार्टी किया. उनके साथ मैंने गैम्बलिंग सीखा, शेयर मार्केट सीखा. तो it was an overall 360 learning experience for
Right.
me.
Right. So अभी तक ऐसा कोई ड्रीम शॉट या प्रोजेक्ट है जो आप अभी तक नहीं कर पाए हो, जो आपने हमेशा से सोचा था कि ये फोटोशूट तो मुझे करना है इस तरीके से या उसके साथ, एंड अभी भी पेंडिंग है?
I think to reach out to the international market, वो मुझे अभी वो बाकी है. इंडिया में मैंने काफ़ी सारे celebrities, including sports celebrities, business tycoons, actors, everybody, I've pretty much shot most of the people. So I think next step would be to go to Hollywood.
So is there anyone specific that आप जिसके साथ काम करना चाहते हो
So
हॉलीवुड
it's
में?
always been a dream to shoot with Madonna. I mean,
Oh,
she's been my muse, and someone who I've followed since my ninth grade.
yeah.
And वो she's quite ahead of her time. जो
Yeah.
उन्होंने photo shoots 80s और 90s में
में
किए
किया।
लोग अभी कर रहे
अभी
हैं.
कर रहे हैं.
So I feel that she's someone who's an icon, and even now she's 60 plus, but I think she's someone who I'd really want to shoot.
That's amazing. And I hope that not just Madonna, but the likes of probably Britney Spears or any other artist.
Hopefully, yeah.
Yeah. So, आपका जो सबसे पहला एनुअल कैलेंडर था उसकी बैकग्राउंड स्टोरी क्या है? मतलब आपको ये एनुअल कैलेंडर्स करने का आइडिया कैसे मिला?
Uh, तो 1999 में the main topic everybody was talking about was the Y2K, जो नया millennium आने
Yeah.
वाला है. So I said, what better way to celebrate other than dates, you know? So I said 1999 दिसंबर में मुझे ये thought आया कि मैं एक कैलेंडर बनाता हूँ, और जो पिछले 3-4 साल का जो मेरा करियर का मैंने जो फोटो शूट्स किए हैं उसमें से 12 बेस्ट पिक्चर्स मैंने सिलेक्ट किए, और 12 फीमेल एक्टर्स के फ़ोटोज़ मैंने मेरे एक दोस्त की एड एजेंसी थी उनके पास गया, एंड हिज क्रिएटिव टीम डिज़ाइन द कैलेंडर फॉर मी, एंड लिटरली विद इन द वीक आई प्रिंटेड इट, और हमने 1000 कॉपी प्रिंट किए. आई थिंक 500 या 1000 कॉपी प्रिंट किए, और वो टाइम पे इट वाज माय like my early stage of my
आपको उस समय
career.
इंडस्ट्री में like how many years had it been in photography by then?
94, 95 is when I started
Started.
my assignments.
Got it.
Yeah, and then actors, yeah, from 95 onwards,
Got
I was
it.
shooting,
Got
and I compiled those pictures, and I designed and published this calendar. And I literally went and delivered it with myself. You know, I went to everybody, जैसे घर पे जाते हैं शादी का कार्ड देने के लिए. Here I was going with my calendar to people's homes and giving it to them, and the response was phenomenal. I mean, the people. It was with 12 female actors, so then the male actor said, "Why didn't you feature us?" You know, so from the following year, which was the 2001 calendar, I started shooting for it. So I did 12 male and 12 female actors,
Okay.
and that's when the whole journey started for me.
People had like FOMO from day one after looking at Dabu's first annual calendar. So that's amazing to hear. So आपका जो फोटोग्राफी का अर्ली डेज है like 1994, 1995, उसमें आपके कोई ऐसे एक दो बहुत मेमोरेबल एक्सपीरियंस है जो हमेशा आपको याद रहेंगे?
द फर्स्ट शूट जो मैंने पहला शूट किया था, पहला वो तब मैं असिस्ट कर रहा था सुमीत के साथ 93 में, और संजय गुप्ता आतिश के लिए फॉर अ फीचर फिल्म कॉल्ड आतिश वाज गोइंग टू मॉरिशस फॉर 40 days to shoot the songs and climax of the movie. And so I गुप्ता को मैं जानता था, मेरे ब्रदर के थ्रू उनके फ्रेंड्स थे, एंड आई टोल्ड हिम यू आर गोइंग फॉर 40 days, स्पीक टू द प्रोड्यूसर, आई वुड लाइक टू कम, आई विल
Okay.
कम फॉर इट फॉर फ्री.
Okay.
खाली मुझे जो फिल्म का कॉस्ट है और प्रोसेसिंग का कॉस्ट है,
Yeah.
एंड माई ट्रैवल एक्सपेंसेस इफ द प्रोड्यूसर कैन टेक केयर ऑफ, आई विल कम फॉर फ्री. इट विल बी अ ग्रेट लर्निंग फॉर मी, एंड पूरा कैंपेन मैं उनको शूट करके दूंगा फिल्म
Right.
का. I went, so that was, I think, that campaign which I shot with Sanjay Dutt, Aditya Pancholi, Karisma Kapoor, Ravina Tandon, Atul Agnihotri. It was like a big break for me.
Right.
And that was something very special because, and that's where I met Sanjay Dutt, who I used to, I was a fan of Sanjay Dutt in my childhood, you know, in
Yeah.
my school days. And for me to shoot my first assignment with Sanju was something I can
Dream
never
come
forget.
true.
You know, it was like a dream come true. And I remember in school I used to have scrapbooks of Sanjay Dutt. I used to take his pictures from magazines and and today I was sitting with him and having a drink with him and partying with him and shooting with him. So it was incredible. And then I think shooting with Mr. Bachchan for the first
First
time
time.
was something.
This
I
was which year?
This was 2000. For my 2001 calendar,
Okay.
which was in the year 2000.
Okay.
And I knew Abhishek, and I called Abhishek and I said, you know, I want to shoot that for my next
Yeah.
calendar. So he said, sure, I'll speak to him. And he fixed up the shoot. So the first time I went and couldn't believe that I'm sitting in Mr. Bachchan's room,
Yeah.
in his makeup room, and choosing his clothes, and
Yeah.
like telling him, okay, ye pehen lo, ya ye pehen lo, ya ye tie pehen lo. I couldn't believe it at that such a young age. I was,
Yeah.
so that was these memories have been something which I've never able to forget. Then I traveled with Mr. Bachchan to Paris, to Cannes, to London, shot for his book. So those moments have been an incredible, and I remember each and every day of that trip very vividly. So it's like I think we'll have to do a separate podcast
course.
just for that.
Correct. So very interesting. You mentioned that you went you met the director Vijay Sippi ji, and you did the entire 40-day, like built the entire campaign, and without charging any money. So if you said that you wanted to work with Madonna, so if the offer ever comes, would you still do it for free?
Absolutely, I'll pay to do it.
Okay.
And I feel that every photographer or every artist should do some amount of work for themselves.
Correct.
Like जो मैं calendar भी करता हूँ, it's a non-commercial project.
Right.
So for me, I feel that is something that gives me a great excitement and keeps me fired up to
Correct.
create new stuff. Because साल भर हम commercial work करते रहते हैं, हम ad campaign shoot करते हैं, हम brands के लिए shoot करते हैं, हम magazines के लिए shoot करते हैं, but someone else is calling the shots.
Correct.
For your personal work, it's your baby.
Correct.
So I feel that every artist must do certain amount of work for themselves to keep themselves excited in the profession.
So आप जो ये कैलेंडर में चूज करते हो कि कौन से एक्टर्स होंगे इस साल या कौन से एक्ट्रेसेस होंगे इस साल, आप कैसे चूज करते हो? लाइक व्हाट इज द क्राइटेरिया फॉर दैट डिसीजन?
So first, I mean, out of the 24, I think 18 are some people who have been a part of my journey and who I shoot with a lot over these last few years. And then 5, 6 or 10, 7, 8, 5 to 7 people we change the faces so that we get some variety in the calendar. तो थोड़े से न्यू कमर्स ऐड करते हैं कि तो लिस्ट भी चेंज हो जाता है. एंड like I'm saying, about 15 to 18 of them are people जिनके साथ मैं काफ़ी काम कर चुका हूँ और जिनके साथ मैं साल भर में काम करते रहता हूँ.
Right.
So it's a lot to do with relation, it's a lot to do with personal rapport.
Correct.
और secondly, मैंने आपको कहा ये non-commercial है.
Right.
So the actors also should want to do something that
Correct.
excites them. So whoever, I mean, I make a wish list of about 30, and then dates का भी depends कि
Correct.
November, December, Jan में कौन available है.
Right.
And some actors have a certain look that they cannot reveal till the
Right.
movie releases. So
Right.
there are various categories.
Got it.
But I like to work with everybody. It's not like I'm doing any favoritism, but
Right.
obviously my default people who I work a lot with is my first choice to go to.
Correct.
And only if their dates are not available, then the list opens up to newer faces.
Got it. तो डब्बू, आपका फेवरेट फोटोग्राफी जॉनर कौन सा है एंड क्यों?
मैंने सब टाइप के फोटोग्राफी किए हैं. मैं बहुत सारे जॉनर्स मैंने कवर किए हैं. आई हैव शॉट विथ obviously celebrities, and I've shot with people, portfolios, newcomers, and also मैंने industrial भी shoot किया है, मैंने food भी shoot किया है. And basically any photographer should choose their genre what excites them the most. So I chose people photography because मुझे लगता है कि the way I can make them look and I make them feel comfortable, and the way I shoot them and my vision, I think I make I do justice to to people the most compared to food or to industrial or anything. Saying that, I still do a lot of industrial work. Also, हम product shoots भी करते हैं जिसमें if I'm shooting a brand campaign, say for a jeweler, and I'm shooting the model, तो उनका जो jewelry shots है वो भी मैं करता हूँ.
Got it.
So I still do all genres of photography, but yeah, if I had to choose one, I'd say people photography is something what I enjoy most. And in the future, I'd like to do some wildlife. I've never shot wildlife.
Okay.
But I think in the next few years, it excites me a lot. It gives me a thrill to see beautiful videos and photos of wildlife. So someday,
क्या पता next episode on Discovery with Bear Grylls में it's Mr.
you never
Dabu
know.
Ratnani. So nice to hear that. Moving on. जैसे आपने अपना पर्सनल स्टाइल डिस्कवर किया कि यू लव पीपल फोटोग्राफी,
Right.
तो आपके हिसाब से हर फोटोग्राफर का एक खुद का सिग्नेचर स्टाइल होना कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है, एंड आप हमारे क्विक पिक फोटोग्राफर्स को ऐसे क्या टिप्स शेयर करना चाहते हैं जिससे वो अपना ये पर्सनल सिग्नेचर स्टाइल डेवलप कर सके?
सो सिग्नेचर स्टाइल होना चाहिए, बट ऐसे नहीं है कि यू हैव टू स्टिक टू इट फॉर योर होल लाइफ, एंड इट्स अ
Right.
पर्सनल ओपिनियन. आई फील के जो मेरा सिग्नेचर स्टाइल था when I started out,
Yeah.
and what it is 20 years later or 25 years later, it has evolved, it has changed.
Yeah.
So ऐसे नहीं है कि आपने कोई स्टाइल चूज कर लिया and you want to get out of that style. It's not like written in stone or something.
Got
You
it.
can do that. And I feel that uh, every artist, every photographer, every profession evolves with time. So आपको लगेगा, like if I go back and see जो मैंने 10 साल पहले काम किया था, some of the pictures I would feel that I could have done better. I feel that I could have ये कॉन्सेप्ट इतना मुझे अब इतना अभी अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, या मुझे वो टाइम की लाइटिंग इतनी अच्छी नहीं लग रही है, विच इज़ फाइन. सो यू कीप experimenting, you keep evolving, you keep trying new styles, and whatever you enjoy most, you should stick to that style.
What is that one element that characterizes your photography style today?
So I'd say right now I'm in a space where uh, I experiment a lot with outdoors. I like to shoot. My favorite style of photography is to shoot on location rather
Right.
than in a plain paper studio background. Like I'm using paper backgrounds and just
Right.
doing simple pictures. I prefer any location gives me a lot of inspiration
Right.
to try new things, to try different things. And I feel outdoors is something I enjoy most. So
Correct.
traveling, shooting outdoors, and the way I control outdoor light, natural light, sunlight mixed with my flashlights is something that I enjoy most.
Got it.
And making my subject look great is something what I enjoy most. I wouldn't experiment ke unko make them look weird or make them look bad. For me, my subject should look amazing, and rest everything comes after that.
After
So that if a particular lighting may be trendy, but if it doesn't suit a particular actor who I'm shooting or a
Correct.
model who I'm shooting, I wouldn't do it just for the trend.
Got it.
I would first focus on what lighting or what background or what props suit my character of my actor who I'm shooting, and then technique would come after that.
Got it. So I think the tip that Dabu has for all of us is that make your subject look the best and everything else comes after. So जो अगला सवाल मैं आपसे करना चाहूँगा कि आपने बहुत सारे मैगजीन्स के लिए शूट किया है, जैसे GQ और फिल्म फेयर और फेमिना, तो ये मैगजीन्स के साथ शूट करने के चैलेंजेस और रिवॉर्ड्स क्या है?
रिवॉर्ड्स बहुत सारे हैं when जब आप एडिटोरियल शूट कर रहे हो, बिकॉज आई थिंक बिगनिंग में जब मैंने एक फोटोग्राफी स्टार्ट की तब तो इंटरनेट भी नहीं था. सो आई फील दैट जो फेम मिला, जो काम मिला, जो योर बायलाइन जो आता है फोटोग्राफी डब्बू रत्नानी इन एनी मैगजीन, वो पढ़ के ही लोगों ने मुझे कांटेक्ट किया और मुझे बहुत सारे एड कैंपेन्स मिले.
Correct.
All the genres of work came to me
Your initial recognition was through these editorials.
through the editorials, and even now it क्या होता है कि अभी अगर आप कोई भी फोटोग्राफर कोई भी फोटोज इंस्टाग्राम या कोई भी सोशल मीडिया पे पोस्ट करता है,
हाँ.
इट्स नॉट नोन के वो उसका फोटो है कि नहीं है. मैगजीन
बात
में
है.
जब भी आपका नाम आता है, इट्स इन प्रिंट दैट दिस इज माय वर्क.
सही बात है.
So even now I feel that today when you have some printed work to show people कि मैंने ये magazine के लिए shoot किया, it is believed that okay, he has done the job.
Correct.
In with digital, you're uploading random pictures of people.
Right.
Sometimes, you know, it may not be your photography also. How does
Correct.
one client trust that
Correct.
until he doesn't see your work in print? So I feel editorials gives you a lot of
Credibility.
and also जो आपको एक्सपेरिमेंट करना है आप एडिटोरियल्स पे के साथ कर सकते हो. जब भी
Correct.
आप ब्रांड के लिए शूट कर रहे हो, यू हैव टू फॉलो द गाइडलाइंस कि सूट ऐसा लगना चाहिए या आउटफिट ऐसा लगना चाहिए, या अगर आप पेंट कंपनी के लिए शूट कर रहे हो, द कलर हैज टू लुक लाइक दैट.
Right.
With an editorial shoot, you have the leeway to experiment up. You can go crazy with creativity in
And
your editorial
आपके हिसाब से
shoots.
challenges क्या होते हैं एडिटोरियल्स के साथ शूट करने में?
So editorials में budgets कम होते हैं.
Okay.
You don't get, many magazines don't pay also.
Okay.
Many magazines have very limited budgets.
Okay.
But it's still worth it.
Okay.
Even if you're not getting paid enough or you're getting zero money for certain editorials, and you have a great shoot
Yeah.
which you can publish and you can use on your social media, and you can get a magazine to print for you, I feel it's still worth doing the job.
एंड आप हमारे क्विक पिक फोटोग्राफर्स को ऐसा क्या टिप देना चाहेंगे जिससे दे कैन लैंड अप अ जॉब फॉर अ मैगजीन और एन एडिटोरियल? मतलब इज देयर अ सीक्रेट सॉस टू दिस कि दे शुड कॉन्टैक्ट समवन पर्टिकुलर और रीच आउट इन अ पर्टिकुलर वे?
So now, अभी तो काफ़ी easy हो गया है क्योंकि you can DM people on even Instagram. We had to physically print या अपना portfolio carry करके हम magazines जाते थे.
हाँ जी.
उनके साथ appointment fix करके हम लोग we used to show our work to those people. Now
Right.
you can email, you can have a website जो आप उनको आप खाली link भेज दीजिए.
Correct.
So also you must realize कि magazines also constantly look for new talent.
राइट.
उनको भी नए फोटोग्राफर्स, नए मेकअप आर्टिस्ट, नए हेयर ड्रेसर्स, स्टाइलिस्ट की ज़रूरत पड़ती रहती है.
राइट.
सो दे आर ऑल्सो ऑन अ कॉन्स्टेंट सर्च. सो
Right.
अगर आपके काम में वो स्पार्क है, दे विल वॉन्ट टू यूज यू.
एक इंटरव्यू में आपने बोला था कि फोटोग्राफी के लिए आपको इंस्पिरेशन हर जगह से मिल सकती है. एंड आप अभी भी बोल रहे थे कि आपको आउटडोर शूट्स करना बहुत पसंद है,
जी.
लोकेशन पे जाना. तो एक ऐसा पर्टिकुलर शूट के बारे में हमें बताइए जिसमें मतलब एक ऐसी आपकी लाइफ का कोई नॉर्मल मोमेंट आपके लिए उस शूट का इंस्पिरेशन और कॉन्सेप्ट बन गया.
काफ़ी बार हुआ है. इनफैक्ट मैनी टाइम्स if I'm driving or I'm walking or I'm on the motorbike, I'll see situations or I'll see a location which I feel I'll come back to for the shoot. तो ऐसा एक बार हम मेरी गाड़ी का टायर पंचर हो गया था and I was standing at the tire repair shop, और एक ट्रक आई थी, उसमें जो पुराने टायर्स हम गाड़ी से
हाँ.
निकालते हैं वो एक बड़े से टेम्पो में लोड कर रहे थे.
अच्छा.
And there was about 200-300 tires in that tempo, and I felt that जो background बन रहा था वो पुराने टायर्स का was very interesting to do a photo shoot.
It was very rugged.
Rugged, grungy जो
Yeah.
look था. और फिर so I contacted the tire shop owner. ऐसे मुझे उसका नंबर चाहिए जो आप जिसको टायर बेचते हो, and I saved that number and kept it.
Okay.
3-4 months later, I was shooting for my calendar, and Shahrukh was shooting for Rais,
हाँ.
and he had the whole stubble and the bearded and the
हाँ जी.
grungy look. And I told him I have this idea that I'll pile up this like whole old tires,
Yeah.
and we'll create like a old tire shop.
हाँ जी.
And obviously I can't take him to the tire shop. I said I'll create the same thing in a set.
Yeah.
And I'd like to do the calendar shot,
Correct.
which excited him a lot,
Right.
So, and then put him in a black ganji, ripped the ganji, ripped
Right.
the jeans,
Right.
put a lot of dust on him, and that became my concept for the calendar.
But like this is so true. Like such spontaneous ideas actually sometimes become the best
Yeah,
ideas.
absolutely. And this is not one. There have been many times. Like I've put people hanging out of rickshaws. I've put see people sitting on top of taxi tops.
जैसे हर जॉनर के फोटोग्राफी में वेदर इट्स फूड और प्रोडक्ट और फैशन और पीपल और इवन वाइल्ड लाइफ, क्लाइंट्स को अट्रैक्ट करने के लिए प्रेजेंटेशन बहुत ही अच्छा होना ज़रूरी है.
बिल्कुल.
एंड आप ऐसे क्या टिप्स शेयर करना चाहोगे हमारे क्विक पिक फोटोग्राफर्स के साथ जिससे वो अपने फोटोज को बेस्ट वे में प्रेजेंट और डिलीवर कर सकते हैं?
तो जैसे क्विक पिक के ऐप पे आप जिस तरह के प्रेजेंटेशंस है, जिस तरह के थीम्स है,
राइट.
एवरी जॉब कैन लुक डिफरेंट
राइट.
डिपेंडिंग आपके क्लाइंट को क्या पसंद है, आपका लोकेशन क्या है जहाँ आपने शूट किया है,
राइट.
जो वेडिंग का थीम है.
राइट.
यू कैन लिटरली डिज़ाइन योर पेज एज पर दैट.
वी कैन ऑल्सो इन कंपैरिजन टू जैसे हम गूगल ड्राइव या ड्रॉपबॉक्स पे डिलीवर कर रहे हैं किसी को.
तो उसमें आपको प्रेजेंटेशन का चांस ही नहीं मिलता. आई थिंक लाइक आई सेड, जो थीम और जो कलर्स आप चूज करते हो दैट मेक्स अ बिग डिफरेंस. अपना ब्रांडिंग आप लगा सकते हो, आपके लोगोज लगा सकते हो, आपके सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स, आप अपने आप को यू कैन प्रमोट योर सेल्फ
Correct.
while the pictures are being viewed by all the people involved in the
Correct.
wedding as well.
Correct.
So I feel that presentation is something that can really help, and the way you deliver the images to the client online on the cloud, and people who are going to browse and view those photos should get the right vibe when you're actually viewing the photos.
Correct. Now we would like to have a small fun segment with you just to like relax a little bit after 2 intense episodes. So it's a rapid fire and you can say whatever comes to your mind, few
I'm
words.
not good with rapid fires, but I will try.
I'm sure you'll be doing like amazingly well. So the first question of the rapid fire, which one is your favorite annual calendar out of all of the ones that you've published till date?
The next one, which is coming up soon.
Okay. So अगर आप एक फोटोग्राफर नहीं होते तो आप क्या होते? मतलब what would have been your career choice been?
मुझे म्यूजिक में बहुत शौक था, तो मे बी समथिंग इन द म्यूजिक स्पेस, और मे बी अ डीजे और समथिंग.
Which is your dream shoot location?
My dream shoot location. Internationally, I think South Africa is something which is
Yeah.
incredible. और जो भी आपको चाहिए, it can be arranged in South Africa. जो भी concept है, they will do it for you. It has a great film industry. It has great production people, amazing equipment, studios.
So, which is your favorite celebrity throwback photo?
My first assignment with Sanjay Dutt,
Okay.
Atish, when I shot on the boat. It's like a picture which is kind of made my career. So that is always my go-to picture, where it's my best throwback picture.
Correct. Define your photography style in 3 words.
It would be sexy, it would be glamorous, and it would be experimental.
Okay. Spontaneous or meticulously planned?
A mix of both. I mean,
Yeah.
there are times जब हम shoot पे जाके पूरे planning के साथ जाते हैं, and you see something or a location that may completely disrupt you, and you may change the concept at the last moment. So I'm always open to doing spontaneous shoots, but that doesn't mean I go unplanned at shoots.
Who is your dream celebrity duo for a photo shoot?
Dream celebrity. I think Deepika and Ranveer at this point, yeah.
That has not been done yet?
I have not done it. The way I'd shoot them probably would be different from they've been shot before.
Okay, great. Which is your favorite camera and lens?
I use Fujifilm, and the latest one I just received was the GFX 100 Mark II. It's incredible, and my favorite lens would be the 110mm on that camera, because it's a variety. You can get great portraits as well as full length pictures, and the sharpness is incredible. So yeah, I think that's my go-to camera at this point.
What are the top 3 songs on your playlist?
Oh, top 3 songs on my playlist. It constantly changes and like it depends on my mood. But recently I was listening to a song called Numb. There's a song called Huss Huss, I think,
Okay.
which I just listened to. And U2 is my favorite band. So
Okay.
With or Without You is my all-time favorite.
Got it. Green screen or real backdrops?
Real backdrops.
Have you used ChatGPT?
I have.
So, what was the last question or prompt that you had put on ChatGPT?
I was trying to find a caption for one of my images yesterday, and which I was posting, but it didn't help because I feel that it gets too repetitive with the suggestions, and if you use it a few times, it gives. I feel that the style is not developed. You have to add your own bits,
Yeah.
So I feel that it's doesn't give you your organic way the way you write a
Correct.
caption.
Correct. हम आपके पुराने फोटोशूट्स के बारे में बात करेंगे एंड कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग मोमेंट्स डिस्कस करेंगे. तो आपने एक बार बताया था कि वरुण धवन के साथ शूट करते वक्त पुलिस आ गई थी शायद.
जी.
तो कुछ ऐसे और इंटरेस्टिंग या फनी मोमेंट्स के बारे में हमें बताइए.
सो बेसिकली जब मैं like I said, मुझे आउटडोर शूट करना बहुत पसंद है एंड आई एंड अप गोइंग टू लोकेशंस spontaneously, and sometimes it's with models, sometimes it's with actors, and तो तो मुझे आई मीन सिंस इट्स लास्ट मिनट हम परमिशन नहीं लेते हैं प्रॉपर डिपार्टमेंट से. बहुत टाइम लगता है वो परमिशंस के लिए. सो आई हैव टेकन Ravina. I remember like similar to this situation where I took Ravina to Jew Circle,
अच्छा.
and beach road के beach में she was wearing this purple trench coat and a full black outfit, and I said okay, and हम लोग गाड़ी से उतरे. I said come get down. She said yeah. I said yeah, it's okay, it's very busy. I said it's okay, it's fine. And she's bindas, and she got out of the car and she starts walking in the middle of the road, and suddenly a big double decker BST bus came and stood right next to her. So she actually started interacting with the driver of the bus and started talking to him and doing salam to him, and those were the final shots which I used in the magazine.
My God.
Yeah, and similarly, when I traveled with Mr. Bachchan,
Yeah.
we walked together at Leicester Square, at the bridges in London, all the busiest places. You know, Mr. Bachchan used to just get out of the car and just walk out. You know, pick up an ice cream, sit at a restaurant, at a cafe. So these kind of crazy moments is something which I've enjoyed most. I've made Shah Rukh sit on his gardener's cycle, you know, in a using a tuxedo, and I said, okay, so the prop is your Mali's cycle, you know. So stuff like that. I think these are the kind of moments even that they remember, and it's always, I remember each shoot like this very vividly.
Why Juhu Circle out of all the places?
Because Ravina used to stay in Jew those days.
Okay.
I went to a house, picked her up, and I
And
said,
you're like,
come,
okay,
let's go outside the house and shoot, you know. So
Great. So आपका जो एनुअल कैलेंडर है वो बहुत ही फेमस है. आप हर साल इस कैलेंडर को कैसे रीइन्वेंट करते हैं, कुछ नया आइडियाज, और किस पर्टिकुलर ईयर का कैलेंडर apart from the upcoming one from the last 25 years probably, उसमें से कौन सा सबसे ज़्यादा यादगार और स्पेशल है आपके लिए?
So जब हम कैलेंडर के लिए शूट्स प्लान करते हैं, वी काइंड ऑफ brainstorm on various concepts. So like हर एक्टर को I will give at least 4-5 ideas that they can choose and what excites them the most. So it's like a non-stop process. Which is like, you know, photography is in my bloodstream. I mean, when I go to any place before ordering like even to a restaurant, before ordering food, I'm looking at the place and say, okay, maybe a shoot can be done. You know? So that's the way I am, you know. And I feel with any professional or any artist, that's the attitude they should have. You know? I feel to keep yourself so excited
and open to any experiment.
Absolutely.
And new things that might come
keep
your way.
trying new things, keep trying new concepts, new locations. And out of the previous calendars, I think मेरा जो 2007 calendar था, उसमें I did that's the only time I did a thematic calendar,
Okay.
which was water was the theme. So
Okay.
so with water, I had Ritik falling into the pool reading a newspaper.
Right.
I had John O. Abraham with a tear in his eye.
Yeah.
I had Amitabh Bachchan, giving water to my puppy,
Okay.
and then Kajol chucking coffee into the swimming pool. So I had like different ideas.
Yeah.
Preeti Zinta washing my motorcycle.
Right.
So I use water very creatively in
Creatively.
different concepts.
Nice.
I think that was something very something that has stayed back, and many of those pictures became very very memorable.
Iconic.
Yeah, and a lot of people remember that. Oh, I remember that picture. I remember the calendar with the water. So it was one of the
Most
cool.
cherished and memorable
Right.
calendars. So हम बहुत ही बेसब्री से इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं आपके नेक्स्ट कैलेंडर के लिए.
जी.
तो हम क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं इस नेक्स्ट कैलेंडर में?
So हर साल the every year जो concept रहता है कि to try and outdo what you've already done.
Correct.
So similarly, I've thought of out of the box ideas, out of the box props जो ज़्यादा करके आप फोटो शूट्स में नहीं देखते हैं, and काफ़ी सारे लोकेशन शॉट्स है, आउटडोर शॉट्स है, and keeping in terms of the trend, in terms of okay, what are the new, coolest clothes, what are the new trends in terms of outfits, lighting के साथ भी मैंने outdoor में भी indoor battery lights use करके मैंने काफ़ी experiment किया है, and you'll see some new faces as well in the new calendar. So
तो ये एक मतलब मेरा पर्सनल क्वेश्चन है आपसे. तो जैसे हर फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली ग्रुप का एक डेजिग्नेटेड फोटोग्राफर होता है, तो आप जब भी अपने मान लीजिए फ्रेंड्स के साथ कोई इवेंट में जा रहे हो या फैमिली के साथ वेकेशन पे जा रहे हो, तो क्या आप ग्रुप के डेजिग्नेटेड फोटोग्राफर बन जाते हो?
नहीं, I'm off duty.
You are off.
Manisha, my wife, is the
Okay,
designated
the
photographer at
photographer.
that point.
Okay. And what if she's not present? Let's say आप अपने दोस्तों के साथ जा रहे हो, she's at home or she's somewhere else.
Then it's obviously me, because then I don't trust anybody else. It becomes like every time I'm going, okay, compose karna padta hai. So I usually carry a tripod, like a lightweight tripod,
okay.
when we go for holidays also, so that when we are shooting a family picture,
Right.
I'll frame the shot, I'll put it on the tripod, timer pe rakh ke, then I'll run into the frame. So it's that pressure is always there.
Okay, before episode 4, we would like to play a small game with you once again. And I'm sure that you would be doing phenomenally well. So, the fun segment is called Guess Who. हम आपको आपके ही कुछ शॉट्स दिखाएंगे, एंड बट उसमें लोग नहीं होंगे. इट्स जस्ट द बैकग्राउंड. एंड आपको याद करना है कि ये कौन से सेलिब्रिटी के साथ ये फोटो शूट था.
Okay.
This is the first one. You were just talking about this.
Ritik falling into the pool.
Yeah, so this one was Ritik Roshan falling into the pool, and the second one is this.
Saif.
So this is just a red bike with a red background, and it's Saif Ali Khan. So that's also correct. Moving on to the number 3. Do you remember this? I think this would be
Akshay Kumar hanging out of doing a flag, human flag on
calisthenics.
the pole. Calisthenics.
So yeah, that was Akshay Kumar doing calisthenics. The fourth one, I think this would be easy. Recent.
This is Priyanka Chopra.
No.
No, this is the. I've used this bike multiple times. This is with the. This is the fashion shoot for Arjun Khanna, which I had done.
So this, yeah, actually we did see that you used this bike a couple of times, and that's why we chose this one.
I think this was with
This was
Aditya Bal.
this was Ranbir Kapoor.
Ranbir Kapoor. Oh, sorry. Yeah.
This was Ranbir
Kapoor.
So finally
Finally
we
you
were
got me. Got me
able
this
to
one.
get one photo that you didn't recognize. So yeah, I think it's such a coincidence that all the ones that we have chosen, you already
I've
spoke about
this.
it.
Kajol throwing the
Yeah,
coffee.
this was Kajol throwing coffee into the pool. So that. So आप almost 25-26 साल से पर्सनली लाइक एज एन इंडिविजुअल फोटोग्राफर काम कर रहे हो, मे बी उससे भी ज़्यादा, एंड आपने बहुत सारे चेंजेस एंड ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस देखे हैं ओवर द लास्ट 30 years. तो उसी के बारे में कुछ चीज़ें हमें डिस्कस करना है. सो पहला क्वेश्चन ये है कि सोशल मीडिया ने आज के डेट में फोटोग्राफी और फोटोग्राफर्स को कैसे इन्फ्लुएंस किया है. लाइक बैक इन 2000 देयर वाज नो सोशल मीडिया एज सच. आप हर चीज़ प्रिंट कर रहे हो, डिलीवर कर रहे हो, तो बट हाउ हैज सोशल मीडिया चेंज द एंटायर लैंडस्केप नाउ?
With social media, I feel that it's been a great boom in terms of people able to reach out to a lot more people.
करेक्ट.
जो काफ़ी लोगों को स्पेशली इंटीरियर्स में, जो मेंस आप बॉम्बे सिटी में
Right.
या दिल्ली में नहीं रहते,
Right.
अगर आप इंटीरियर्स में रहते हो एंड यू स्टिल वांट टू शो योर वर्क टू वेरियस मैगजीन पीपल और
Correct.
यू वांट टू शो योर वर्क टू द वर्ल्ड आउट देयर, यू हैव द अपॉर्चुनिटी आप सोशल मीडिया पे पोस्ट करें एंड
Right.
give that link to people, and people
Right.
can actually visit and discover you,
Right.
and you can get a lot of work. So many people from different cities have come into Mumbai or to Delhi or to any hub where they started getting work and
Right.
actually could reach out to models, actors,
Right.
magazines, brands. So a lot of collaborations have happened thanks to social media.
आपने बोला कि आप कंटिन्यूसली सीखते रहते हो, नई नई चीज़ें अपस्किल करते रहते हो. तो फोटोग्राफी में हर महीने कुछ नया सीखते रहना और अपस्किल करते रहना कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है आपके हिसाब से?
So I feel it's not you can't define कि हर महीने आपको upskill करना पड़ता है. You have to be aware and alert कि क्या नए trends चल रहे हैं.
Right.
You have to see, जैसे कि कोई फोटो फेयर हो रहा है या कोई कुछ नए नया इक्विपमेंट लॉन्च हो रहा है. What is going on in India and worldwide?
Worldwide.
Like if you're a fashion photographer, you have to see कि क्या fashion trends आने वाले हैं,
Right.
क्या backgrounds use करने वाले हैं,
Right.
क्या क्या इस कलर के क्या सीजन्स क्या ये सीजन के क्या कलर्स होने वाले हैं. यू हैव टू कीप इन टच एंड सी जो भी आपका जॉनरा हो. अगर आप
Right.
प्रोडक्ट शूट्स कर रहे हैं, क्या नए टूल्स आए हैं प्रोडक्ट शॉट्स में, कुछ स्मोक मशीन आया है या तो कुछ विंड मशीन आया है, या किस तरह से आप वो अपने प्रोडक्ट को नेक्स्ट लेवल के फोटोग्राफी पे दिखा सकते हो. सो इन एवरी जॉनरा देयर इज ऑलवेज डेवलपमेंट इन टर्म्स ऑफ इक्विपमेंट, इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्टाइल, इन टर्म्स ऑफ लोकेशंस, and constant research will keep you excited.
So I'd like to talk about AI because it's the generation of AI.
Right.
तो ये जो generative AI वाला section है which comprise of like Midjourney, DALL-E और Adobe also has some of it. तो इसके वजह से इसके existence से photographers को किस तरह का challenges आ सकता है फ्यूचर में, बिकॉज ये बहुत काम तो खुद ही कर देते हैं और शायद आगे जाके और भी बेहतर तरीके से करे.
So I feel photographers will have to incorporate it in your work.
Okay.
फाइट करने से कुछ नहीं होगा. You can't fight the trend जो आने वाला है,
Right.
जो फ्यूचर है. You will have to see how you can incorporate it to make your work better.
Right.
It won't take over fully all the photography. आप उसको टूल की तरह अप्लाई कर सकते हो, but finally shooting people and getting emotions and dealing with, like today when you're shooting a wedding or you're shooting a wildlife, there's always going to be difference between an AI generated image compared to a real
Correct.
image that you get. The emotion, even the commands which you give AI, you have to be so perfect
Right.
to get what you want, you know. So I
Right.
feel that
Even explaining what you want in that one line of
Yeah.
command is, I think, a big task in
big
itself.
task. And so it was a joke which I read that we won't get affected because clients never know what they want. so how will they ever get to using AI? You know?
Correct.
So they'll not know what command to give it only. So photographers will be employed for a long time.
So that's a great insight actually, because even I wouldn't probably know what kind of a shot that I want. So,
Right, so-
I agree. So ये तो हम जनरेटिव AI के बारे में बात कर रहे थे, बट इन जनरल AI टेक्नोलॉजी ने फोटोग्राफर्स को किस तरीके से हेल्प और सपोर्ट किया है इन द लास्ट 1 or 2 years?
So I feel like basic things like background extension, cropping में थोड़े जैसे कहीं कहीं where I have seen where certain part of the frame gets cropped while shooting, तो उसको join करने के लिए या frame extend करने के लिए या small things like shoes को extend करने के लिए
Right.
shoe crop हो गया
Right,
frame में
right.
चला गया या leg का थोड़ा part extend करने में I have seen people using those
पहले ये
kind of
पॉसिबल था बिना AI के, like बहुत टाइम लगता
बहुत
था
टाइम
शायद.
लगता था. So you see, I personally don't retouch my own images.
Right.
मैं image retouchers use करता हूँ. तो they say कि पहले जो बहुत टाइम लगता था वो अभी थोड़ा फास्ट हो गया है.
Right.
But still जो vision है as a photographer, as a image retoucher, you need to know what you want. Balance.
So मतलब essentially आपके पास टेक्निकल स्किल तो होना ही चाहिए, भले ही आपके पास फोटोशॉप को और आप वो खुद कर लो या आपको AI प्रॉम्प्ट डालना आता हो.
So you वो vision और जो वो बेसिक नॉलेज होना चाहिए.
That has to be
that is of today. जब
Yeah,
हम
that-
आज बात कर रहे हैं
Maybe 5 years
2024 में
later.
5 साल आगे हम ये पॉडकास्ट देखेंगे बोलेंगे अरे maybe we were completely wrong, you know.
Right.
So
Possibly. We have one small chill segment once again, which is called Guess the Gen Z Lingo.
okay.
So, डब्बू आपको क्या लगता है, मतलब आप ये फोटोग्राफी ट्रेंड्स एंड ऑल तो यू आर टॉप नॉच, वेरी रेलेवेंट एंड वेरी अपडेटेड, बट ये जो आजकल लोग सोशल मीडिया में वर्ड्स और स्लैंग्स यूज कर रहे हैं, आपको क्या लगता है, मतलब आर यू वेरी
I
अपडेटेड?
am updated because of my kids.
अच्छा.
One is a teenager, one was almost a teen.
Yeah.
So I feel that मुझे काफी सारे वो अपडेट करते रहते हैं because they use it with me.
अच्छा,
So then
तो
I have to understand कि क्या what does it mean. Then they explain to me, Dad, it's this.
This.
I say, okay, so
Got it. So the first, guess the Gen Z lingo, the first one, Riz. RIZZ. Have you heard of
I've
this?
heard it for sure.
So, any
I
like
can't
idea what it
remember.
means?
Riz. I've definitely heard it. It's a short form of something. I can't remember right now, but I've definitely heard it.
So, like, if I want to say it in a sentence, I would just say, "Double, you got Riz." So, like,
Charisma.
yeah,
That's it. Yes.
yeah, that's correct. That's correct.
Yeah.
So, number 2, Stan.
Yeah, I've heard this as well. It's some stalker fan, I think. No, is it?
Yeah, even I'm not sure. I think my team prepared this, but that's what I know as well.
Yeah.
So I think that's what
Yeah,
Stan.
isn't it?
So guys, what is
It's
it?
a fan who's a stalker, right?
It's a stalker fan, right?
Yeah, I got it.
Biggest fan. Yeah, correct. So number 3, I'm sure you would know this. Like FOMO.
Fear of missing out.
Right.
That's not Gen Z. That's
Yeah,
from our
that's
time.
that's Gen X, Gen Y. I think there's something wrong. Number 4 is GRWM.
I've heard.
GRWM.
Get ready with me. Is it?
Yeah, that's
Yeah?
correct.
Okay.
So,
I've seen some reels on that. I think
but like, do you know what is the context of using this?
some of them. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't use it, but I know the context.
Okay. So number 5, GOAT.
Greatest of all times.
Okay. Like Dabbu sir is a goat. So number 6, spill the tea.
Give me the gossip.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Number 7, sus. SUS.
Suspicious. No,
Yeah.
It's I've heard it long back.
And number 8, which is Delulu.
I've not heard that, but it sounds like delusional of some sort, I guess.
So like, yeah, that's correct. But like, have you seen that video in which this actually got famous? What
I've not
was
heard-
the
I've not heard
video?
Delulu.
Yeah, so
Is
someone just said in a video, Delulu is the new Salulu. So it's basically being delusional is the solution.
Oh, is it?
So I mean, deep thoughts, but
Not bad. I didn't do badly in this.
Yeah, you did better than me. I would have performed worse. So, क्या आप हम फोटोग्राफर्स को कोई एक ऐसा AI टूल रेकमेंड करना चाहेंगे जिससे हमारा प्रोडक्टिविटी इम्प्रूव हो सकता है?
For photographers, I think main AI tools would be face recognition is something
Okay,
where I think all of us would need it.
right,
All of us use it in some way or the other,
right,
and it simplifies the workflow a lot. अभी इनफैक्ट हमारे हमारे जो रॉ प्रोसेसिंग सॉफ्टवेयर्स भी है
right. Auto
उसमें-
editing, auto culling.
हाँ
आपने
सो देयर आर मेनी थिंग्स दैट सो व्हाट आई डू यूजुअली जब हम ऑटो एडिट भी यूज करते हैं इन द रॉ फाइल
Right.
आई डू एन ऑटो एडिट
right,
I see what it's suggesting,
Right.
and then I undo the auto edit,
right.
and then I increase the sliders as per what I feel.
Got it.
So software का क्या capability है?
Right.
If it's good, I feel that usually auto edit बहुत extreme हो जाता है.
Right.
So you should, like I said, जो vision होना चाहिए, what you want from that picture. So then I undo parts of it, or I undo completely, and I do it manually after that. That's one.
So again, AI बहुत सारे segments में help कर रहा है धीरे धीरे, like whether it's editing of pictures
Right.
or filtering pictures which are like blurred
Yeah,
or
I
the
feel
eyes
that
are.
is वो बहुत
Culling.
I think that's culling pictures is a great
Are
thing.
you
that-
using any tool right now for culling?
It's a part of my raw processing software,
okay.
and I've seen the one QuickPick has as well, and I've seen
It's in beta right
yeah,
now.
but I think that's something which will help a lot of people.
Right. We spoke about editing and culling, and like, what about sharing pictures? So, matlab, in terms of where, let's keep aside food or product or fashion. Like, let's stick to events or wedding
Right.
or like something like that. So, in these cases, how has AI really helped in sharing pictures? Whether like thousands of pictures.
So one great thing what QuickPick has is that when you upload all the जो भी thousands of or 5,000 10,000 photos है, जब आप cloud पे upload करते हो, you can choose कि आपको क्या quality पे upload करना है.
Okay,
So
correct.
that is a great feature. Then I feel that जो face recognition जो speed से होता है, I don't think anybody else does it so fast.
Right.
And you don't have to download everything in your camera roll for the face recognition
Correct.
to start the process.
Like जैसे Google Photos या Apple Photos में we actually have to download the 2000 pictures on our phone for the face recognition to
to
work.
even start.
Yeah,
फिर काफी सारे घंटे लगते हैं
Right.
जब तक वो फेसेस रिकॉग्नाइज हो,
right.
आप उसको नेमिंग करो, बहुत टाइम लगता है.
correct.
इसमें मुझे लगा कि काफी फास्ट था.
Right.
And it's
You didn't have to download the
don't
picture.
have to download so many thousands of pictures in your storage.
Correct.
वहीं पे आपको फेस रिकग्निशन हो रहा है, आप सेल्फी लेके आप अपलोड कर दीजिए, इंस्टेंटली आपके खुद के फोटोज दिखने
And
मिल जाते हैं.
how accurate did you think the face recognition was?
It was absolutely accurate. It
Like,
was
did you have that moment with you where you thought that the face recognition does not work because you thought मैं तो इस picture में हूँ ही नहीं, but when you actually like zoomed in, you were like
Yes.
some कोने में.
बिल्कुल. I think that
It happened.
it picks up every single frame
Wow.
where the face was seen. So
I'm glad that our effort is, coming to light now. So, QuickPick जैसा प्लेटफॉर्म आपके हिसाब से सिर्फ फोटोग्राफर्स के लिए ही नहीं, बट और मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज या इवेंट मैनेजर्स या कॉलेजेस एंड यूनिवर्सिटीज़ इन सबको कैसे हेल्प कर सकता है, क्योंकि फोटोज और इवेंट्स तो हर जगह है.
बिल्कुल.
व्हाट इज योर ओपिनियन ऑन
So,
दैट?
I think college fest जो होते हैं, जो college events होते हैं, उसमें बहुत help कर सकता है also
Right.
because first of all the features is really user friendly, face recognition, everything is going to really help and plus you can also put banners, you can put sponsorships, so
Right.
you can add that as a perk to the sponsor.
ओके.
कि इतने हजारों लोग लॉग इन करेंगे, आपका ये पेज देखेंगे और आपका ब्रांडिंग विल बी राइट देयर
Right.
in your face, so that's a big win for the college as well.
So,
for the fest.
Basically, we have seen this that if we were sharing photos on a hard disk or a Google Drive link earlier, so there was no way to track the engagement कि कितने लोग photos देख रहे हैं, all of
जी.
that. But we knew that there's very less engagement because कोई भी photos, किसी के पास time नहीं है हजारों photos देखने का. But obviously, after using like face recognition for sharing pictures, we have seen and our users have seen that 5 people will use it, they love the experience, उन वो 5 लोग और को बोलेंगे, and इस तरीके से almost 70 to 80% of the event audience ends up actually watching the pictures.
Right.
And because of this, your viewership is also very high. आपका reach बहुत बढ़ रहा है. And as you rightly said that for colleges, जब हजारों या 10,000 kids are watching their images on a platform, they can also give a lot of visibility to their sponsors on
Right.
the platform by
Absolutely.
adding their brands and logos across our website app. So I think whether or not QuickPick is free or paid for colleges, I'm sure you can always recover the money from your sponsors. So you should have a thought on that. What do you think about like event organizers? So उनके लिए ऐसे कौन से 2-4 फीचर्स हैं क्विक पिक में, मे बी आपको अगर एनालिटिक्स या डेटा के बारे में बात करना है, जैसे क्विक पिक उनको अपना बिजनेस
Right.
ग्रो करने
So-
में हेल्प कर रहा है.
So I mean, you can maintain your full database.
Right.
You can reach out to people at any time. You can WhatsApp. You can email right from there itself. So I
Right.
feel that will help all the corporates. Will help the business side of things as well.
करेक्ट. सो मतलब जैसे आज के दिन जो हमने देखा था कि अगर मुझे डेटा कलेक्ट करना है अपने यूजर्स का, दैट इज़ वन सॉफ्टवेयर. फिर मुझे इस डेटा को मेंटेन करना है, दैट समवेयर एल्स. एंड इस डेटा को यूटिलाइज अगर करना है एक्चुअली टू डू
will
एनी गुड फॉर माई बिजनेस,
third.
दैट इज अ थर्ड टूल, राइट? एंड आई थिंक विथ क्विकपिक हम वही चीज़ सॉल्व करना चाह रहे हैं फॉर इवेंट्स और फॉर इवेंट मैनेजर्स और बिग कॉर्पोरेट्स एंड मल्टीनेशनल्स की आपके एक साल में बहुत सारे इवेंट्स हो सकते हैं, and you might be spending money to host these events and conduct these events. So QuickPick जैसा टूल आपको एक बार में उस पूरे इवेंट से मैक्सिमम रिटर्न, मैक्सिमम एंगेजमेंट लाने में हेल्प करता है, जस्ट वन टूल.
Right.
जैसे ऑब्वियसली फोटोज इंस्टेंटली शेयर हो रहे हैं, टॉप क्वालिटी में हो रहे हैं, एंड आप डेटा भी कलेक्ट कर रहे हो हर गेस्ट और कस्टमर का जो इंटरेक्ट कर रहा है पिक्चर्स के साथ. क्विकपिक उस डेटा को आपको मेंटेन भी करके देगा, एंड आपको टूल्स भी दे दिया है क्विकपिक ने जिससे आप इन लोगों को एंगेज रख सकते हो. उनको आप व्हाट्सएप भेज सकते हो, ईमेल भेज सकते हो, एसएमएस भेज सकते हो. तो मान लीजिए 6 महीने बाद अगर मुझे एक्चुअली कोई इवेंट करना होगा तो मैं आपको ही कॉल करूंगा, बिकॉज मुझे याद है आपने मुझे मैसेजेस भेजा था.
Right.
So like this, we are trying to create a full circle and not just helping in getting maximum engagement from events and delivering the best photo sharing experience, but we are also helping groups
to
like
manage the whole.
manage the entire event and grow your business as well.
Right.
Like that's what we're trying to do. So moving on to the last question about AI and QuickPick. So हमने सारे like B2B side, whether it's photographers or event managers or colleges or corporates बात किया, but on a personal level, जैसे आप एक as a human or me, हम events attend करते हैं, हमारे pictures click होते हैं and share करते हैं हम एक दूसरे के साथ. तो आपका क्विकपिक के साथ जो पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है टिल डेट, वो कैसा रहा है पर्सनल, नॉट एज अ फोटोग्राफर?
Yeah. So I think what is nice is when you upload the photos, you're kind of forced to make it into an album, into an event.
राइट.
So that helps. I think जब फ्यूचर में आप 5 साल के बाद वो पर्टिकुलर इवेंट ढूंढ रहे हो, या you're looking for your daughter's pictures of a particular birthday or particular year,
Correct.
it's very easy to go back to those photos.
करेक्ट.
And like I keep saying, the main thing I think, जिस तरह से फेस रिकग्निशन होता है,
Right.
you know that you can search the person, you can search by the event, you
Right.
can get your search results really quickly.
राइट. एंड आप मतलब 4-5 साल बाद क्या आप एक्चुअली पिक्चर्स ढूंढ पाते हो? मतलब लाइक अगर मैं आपको आज बोलूँ कि show pictures from your daughter's birthday 4 years ago,
Yeah.
how easy would it be for you?
On QuickPick, it's very easy. You can
Okay.
really, literally, because obviously you know your daughter's birthday in date as well,
Right.
and also
you can just scroll and see
you can
that
just see it exactly
event.
on that
Yeah.
event of that date.
Yeah.
You know what date you celebrated the
Right.
birthday, whether you brought it in or was it on the day of the birthday.
Right.
So I feel it's very very quicker than all the other apps to find your photos
Photo.
and also to keep them grouped up as
Correct.
an event.
Correct. So the last question is, आपको क्या लगता है ये फोटोग्राफी की दुनिया 10 साल बाद कैसी दिखेगी?
I wish I knew. But I feel photography is here to stay, and I feel that I know आजकल trend है videos का ज़्यादा, पर I feel that sometimes when I look back at a picture, you remember, you know, it has. Sometimes you don't have enough time, like 30 seconds, to go through a video, but picture
Yeah.
you can gaze at any point. You
Right.
know, you can. It's on the wallpaper of your phone, on your computer. You know, you always can look back at a picture and a moment. Like you may not go back and see every video that you've shot, but pictures are easy to kind of go back to. And there's I'm very you know, I have a deep connection with
Soft corner for
soft corner
photography.
for pictures. So yeah, I always feel it's here to stay.
Yeah.
And 10 years ago, if you had said that people had, when I started my career, means I've heard things that photography is not going to last a long time. So I mean, it's been lasting over 30 years.
Yes,
So I mean,
yeah.
so it keeps, there are phases that come and go. It gets more popular and less popular, but I feel photography is always here to stay.
Lot of things to learn from the last 2 hours. And is there anything that you would like to tell our Quick Pick community of photographers watching this video to conclude with?
So I feel that, like I keep saying, the main thing is the passion. Doesn't matter which genre of photography you do. Just keep the fire alive. Stay excited, and try something new every day. I feel that try and think of one new idea, whether it's using a new equipment, whether it's a new lens, whether it is a different reflector, different styling, something new try to bring to the table every day. It will keep you much more excited and look forward to every new shoot that you do.
So thank you so much. And with this, we end Quick Pod 1 with Dabu Ratnani. Looking forward to see all of you in our Quick Pod number 2 with another special guest on another special day. Thank you.